In this video we will show you how simple it is to mount a tactile hazard area with stud indicators correctly by using our templates. The hazard stud indicators above must have a luminance contrast of 0.8 in relation to the colors of the floor, and we will use our bright indicators here to meet the contrast requirement. If in doubt, get in touch. Equipment required is a bucket, 2 cloths, ST naturens and the correct number of ST32 stud indicators and our hazard area template. Clean the walking area with regular water before applying the ST naturens. ST naturens is a natural cleaning detergent that dissolves contaminants, degreases and is effective without damaging the surface. The product is water-based and made from renewable raw materials. You don't need to wear gloves or mask. Start by measuring the width of the area. Use our hazard area calculator to find the nearest width and the correct number of studs to be mounted. The width of the staircase in this example is 124 centimeters wide, hence we choose the 120 width, which in reality measures 117 centimeters. Pull in 3.5 centimeters on each side to center the area and mark this with a piece of tape. Pull the hazard area back similar to the depth of one step. Since in this case the staircase is on an angle, we start a little behind where the floor meets the stairs. Peel off the glue cover paper by using a wallpaper knife. Make sure the floor is completely dry before applying the stud indicators. Place the first stud indicator in the left corner without removing the cover paper for measuring purposes. Place the template and measure that it's in the right place. Attach with 4 pieces of tape and start mounting. When the template is filled up, move it on to the last row. For wider areas, we recommend that you overlap the template with at least 3 laid rows to be sure to get the line straight. Continue this process until the wanted area has been covered. After finishing, step on the stud indicators to give the glue an even better grip. The hazard area may be stepped on directly after completion, but would need up to 12 hours to harden perfectly. Feel free to contact us and visit our website for more products and advice at smarttactiles.com.